the Rebuilders Ministries carried out a new awareness-raising activity at several strategic locations in the Hoho Neighborhood in Bunia. From markets to other highly frequented public areas, the team engaged with local residents to share essential information on Ebola prevention measures. Hoho Market, Gouvernorat Market, Sukisa Market, Bilingue Roundabout, and other key hotspots in the neighborhood were targeted during this campaign. Through direct interactions with traders, motorcycle taxi drivers, passers-by, and residents, discussions focused on practical measures that can help limit the spread of the disease. The importance of regular hand washing, being alert to suspicious symptoms, and seeking prompt medical attention at a health facility were widely emphasized. In an effort to support this awareness campaign with tangible actions, hand-washing kits were donated to the Hoho Neighborhood office to strengthen preventive measures for the benefit of the entire community. Through this initiative, the Rebuilders Ministries continues to promote awareness as an essential tool for protecting communities and encouraging collective vigilance against Ebola.